Hi, Tom. How are you?
Hi, Anna. I'm good, thanks.
Are you ready for the flight?
Yes, I am very excited.
What time does your flight leave?
It leaves at 3 p.m.
Where are you flying to?
I'm flying to New York.
That sounds great.
Yes, I can't wait to go.
Do you have your ticket?
Yes, I printed it out.
Good job. Do you have ID?
Yes, I have my passport.
Have you checked your luggage?
Not yet, I will do it soon.
Where is the check-in desk?
It's over there, by gate 5.
Let's go there together.
Sure. I need help.
Do you have a carry-on bag?
Yes, I have a small bag.
What's in your carry-on?
Just my laptop and snacks.
That's smart. Snacks are important.
Yes, I get hungry on flights.
Do you have a water bottle?
No, I will buy one later.
You can buy it after security.
Good idea.
Are you nervous about flying?
A little, but I'm okay.
I understand. I get nervous too.
What do you do to relax?
I listen to music or read.
That sounds nice.
Do you have headphones?
Yes, I packed them in my bag.
Great. You'll enjoy your flight.
I hope so.
What time do you arrive in New York?
I arrive at 6 p.m.
That's a long flight.
Yes, it is. But it's worth it.
What will you do in New York?
I will visit friends and explore.
That sounds fun.
Yes, I can't wait to see them.
Do you have a hotel booked?
Yes, I booked a nice hotel.
What's the name of the hotel?
It's called the Grand Hotel.
Nice. Is it near the city?
Yes, it's very close.
How long will you stay?
I will stay for 5 days.
That's a good amount of time.
Yes, I want to see everything.
Have you been to New York before?
No, this is my first time.
You will love it.
I hope so. Any tips?
Visit Central Park and Times Square.
Great suggestions. Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip.
I will. What about you?
I am flying to London.
When does your flight leave?
My flight leaves at 4 p.m.
Are you excited?
Yes, very excited to explore.
What will you do in London?
I want to see the museums.
That sounds interesting.
I also want to see Big Ben.
That's a famous landmark.
Yes, I can't wait to take photos.
Do you have your ticket ready?
Yes, I have it on my phone.
Good. That's very convenient.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I am traveling solo.
Me too. It's fun to explore alone.
Yes, I agree.
What time do you need to board?
I need to board at 2:30 p.m.
You have some time then.
Yes, let's find some coffee.
Great idea. I love coffee.
Me too.
Where is the coffee shop?
It's near the waiting area.
Let's go there now.
Yes, I need a caffeine boost.
Do you like hot or iced coffee?
I prefer hot coffee.
I like iced coffee in summer.
That's refreshing.
We should get our drinks.
Yes, let's enjoy our time.